Compatible with most standard 16.4 ounces propane canisters. Wide Dura-Base provides a stable platform for single burner stoves, lanterns, heaters and other propane appliances. Swivel extension feet for added stability, feet fold away completely for storage. Made of durable high-impact plastic for reliability and lightness. Replacement base for camping or hunting stoves and propane accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Great propane base. I got my Stansport Propane Cylinder Base and immediately put my Coleman 16-ounce can into it. The fit was so good that you would think it was made just for that one. It's not so tight that you have to fight with it. I use a bottle top cooker at times and this is going to make that setup far sturdier than the plain Coleman propane base. The product seems nice and sturdy and is made with screws in the feet instead of rivets. As long as this lasts, I'd buy it again.